Hey, what's up, folks? Mike Lock here. Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's video blog. I'm here with some career advice. Over the last week and a half, I actually had 3 people ask me different things about their career. One person had me look at their resume, and they weren't really happy with the response that they were getting. Another person had me give them some advice on how they should approach their dream job. Okay, so I thought this would be a great video to share with everyone. Now, the main thing that you want to do, you want to make sure that you understand what type of job that you're interested in, and the key words is very important. So what I would recommend is going out there to the job boards and looking at the different job titles that are out there. Like, for example, visual design, visual UI design, UI, UX design, graphic design, web design. These are all different titles that different companies are hiring for. Okay, so go out there to the major job boards and look for those different titles in your area. And what you'll see is you'll see jobs that you might be interested in. And then what you want to make sure that you do, if you're not doing, make sure those keywords are now spread out throughout your resume. Okay, and also your resume needs to be identical or updated on your LinkedIn account. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, get one, because that's where the recruiters today are searching. They're searching LinkedIn, and they're searching for certain key phrases and keywords. And if they're searching for, let's say a company is hiring for UI, UX design, and you don't have that phrase in your LinkedIn account, then you're not really coming up in the searches. And so you want to make sure that you identify the positions that you're going after on the job boards, and make sure you have those titles in your resume and on LinkedIn. Okay. The other thing is, it's highly important, and it's amazing that so many people don't have a portfolio. So your portfolio has to be linked from LinkedIn and on your resume, and you have to have a portfolio. And on your portfolio, it's important that you show work that is consistent with the work of companies that you're trying to go after. So for example, let's say Google is a company that is your dream, you would call your dream job. You want to be a UI UX designer for Google. What you want to make sure is that on your portfolio that you show work that's consistent with the type of work that Google produces. So for example, let's say you designed a restaurant recently, a restaurant website for your portfolio, and that's the main site that you have on your portfolio, but Google is your dream job. That's not really going to get the recruiters at Google excited. But what will get them excited is if you went about and looked at a site like Google Analytics, something like that, or Google Docs, and looked at the sort of UI and the information that they have on those sites, and build and design a similar website or a similar web app, showing lots of data, showing your ability to organize a lot of data in a nice, clean UI design. Now that would get potentially folks at Google excited if you had that type of work. So you want to look at the company, look at the titles, look at the companies that you would love to work for. Let's say it's an agency and you want to work in an agency. Obviously, look at their portfolio, look at their body of work, and that style of design needs to match to the style that you have on your portfolio. If your body of work is not lined up with that, you know what? Don't show it. There's a lot of work that I'm ashamed to show on my portfolio that I don't show, because in web design, things move so fast. For example, you might design something 3 months ago that you're not really happy with. And so I would say if you design something 3 months ago and now your skills have improved so much that you're embarrassed about that, don't show it. Take the next couple weeks and just design one single page on your portfolio. The other thing is in your portfolio doesn't have to be really extravagant. It doesn't have to be a site with so many different links. It can be as simple as having your name, having a link for them to contact you, maybe your Twitter link or an email address, and then having one screenshot, okay? And make sure that screenshot is lined up with the body of work that you're happy with, and that's lined up with the type of company that you want to go after. Okay, so if you have those sort of things in place, that will increase your chances of people and recruiters looking at you and reaching out to you. All right, so that's all I have for you in this video. Again, visit my website for more information, and always give me a call. I'm not give me a call, but shoot me an email, mlock@mlwebco.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions for you if you have any. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon. Bye.